Hello, it's Jam Games here once again, and in this video we're going to fix 3 bugs that we have right now. First is when we kill the zombie, you can see him wiggling around on the ground when he's dead, because we haven't made the animation stop. So let's fix that. Also, when we die, let's try. As you can see, we keep moving if we have some keep rest when we die. Okay, so let's fix that. And the last one is... Oh yeah, now when we shoot the zombie with the shotgun, there will be this little thing I will show you. Okay, you can see the zombie will fly pretty far, so let's also fix that. So yeah, the first thing, let's actually go to the enemy zombie 1 animations APP zombie. Okay. Also, let's go to the PP enemy main. Let's create a new variable. Let's call it dead. Okay. Compile. Let's go to the APP zombie and to the locomotion. Okay, here. We want to actually create a new state. Let's call this dead. Let's create a new state alias. Let's call this to dead. Now let's get from the to dead and connect to the dead, like that. Now let's click on the to dead. Let's make idle and movement to its alias, like that. Now this rule here is, let's open it. Let's get the SPP enemy main. Get the dead variable. Let's connect it here. So when we are dead, it will go to this state. Here, what we want to do is, actually let's go first to the idle. Let's copy this. Okay, it's the zombie idle. I could have done it other from my memory, but I was not sure about the animation name. So let's paste this to here. Let's make the looping false and play rate 0, like that. Compile, save, and we can actually close this with APP zombie. Now, on the PP enemy main, on the... Oh, I still have this on from the last episode. We can actually close this if you have it open. On the PP enemy main, at the end of the take damage function, so here, when we call the dead code, okay, let's move all this a little bit further, and let's get the dead variable and set it to true. Okay, let's compile, save, and let's actually see if it works. It will work, but let's try and be sure. Oh, so if I kill him, okay, the zombies are over him, so I actually cannot see it that much. But yeah, I actually think they are not playing the animation anymore. So yeah, it is working. So the next thing, let's fix the death movement. So let's go to the PP first person character. And on our... Do we have like death function? Okay. No, this is not the one. So you want to go to this death event. And here on the disable input, we want to move this player controller from the target to the player controller, like that. Let's compile, save, and it should work. So let's see. Yeah, it worked. So now let's fix the shotgun. So let's go actually to the shotgun trace. Shotgun trace, okay? And here on shoot, hit, get material or actor. Let's open that also. Now here at the start, what we want to do is we want to actually move this a little bit further. And we want to add this new input here. Oh, okay. Let's call it shotgun. Not shotgun, shotgun. Okay. Now let's promote it to a local variable after the knife. Let's add a reroute, like always. Let's connect this back on, and let's rename this variable to shotgun and space, maybe. Oh, yeah. And now we want to go to here where we have this take damage on the BP enemy main. Let's double click that. Let's go to the start. And here also let's create a input called shotgun. Shotgun, like that. Okay. And let's actually move it over the knife, like that. And let's move this further, also this amount. And now let's promote this shotgun to a local variable also. Call it shotgun, of course. Actually, we cannot. So shotgun and space. Okay. Now here on the, actually not here. So let's compile. Let's go back to the first person character. Here now we have this new shotgun input. So let's move the knife and power ups in use a little bit further down. Let's get the shotgun local variable. Connect it to there. Now let's go back to shotgun trace, and we want to set this shotgun to true, and we can actually move these a little bit further down. Okay, let's compile and save. So now we have shotgun trace, of course, makes the shotgun true. Here, promote it to a local variable, and it passes it to the BP enemy main. Here, at the start ragdoll that we have here. No, sorry. Heat reaction. Okay, this one. So let's actually click on that. Let's add an input to here also. Let's call this shotgun. And type boolean. Now let's move all this code a little bit further. Let's promote that to a normal variable. Let's add a reroute here. And now on the BP enemy main, let's connect that shotgun to this shotgun. Compile save. And back to the PPC physical animation. Here at the end, what we want to do is, let's move this a little bit further up. Actually, we can leave it there. Actually, let's move all this a little bit further down so we get more space here. Now, let's get from this multiplier. Let's select and let's connect the shotgun to the index. Now to the true, if the shotgun is true, I will set it to 250. And if it's false, I will make it like 2000. You can obviously change these however you want. But our shotgun is shooting 8 times, I actually think. Actually, I'm not 100% sure, but let's check that quickly. Shotgun trace. Oh, it's shooting 10 times. Okay, but yeah, it can be like that. So shotgun total force will be 2.5 thousand, and the normal will be 2000. That's good enough for me. So let's compile, save. Let's actually check all these things are compiled. Yeah, let's go and play. So let's get the shotgun. Let's actually first try with the pistol. Yeah. Now with the shotgun. Oh, I actually accidentally reloaded. So let's see. I think that's actually pretty nice. So yeah, I think all the big bugs are fixed. So that was all for this video. If you like what you saw, please click the like button and subscribe for more. And yeah, hope you have a great day and see you on the next one. Bye.